solidify their hold of first place. Sa aking pinakaunang PBA game. In the meantime, bagsak din si Topic Robinson.
And will be the one will be called for the foul. May konting pampamasin din si Topic Robinson, pero yung kanyang sundot ang nahabutan doon. Talagang you expect a lot of contact inside the paint at yun ang teritoryo niya.
Here's James Yap going inside, and the basket is good.
A foul as soft as that. Even through the player like James Yap. Eto, makikita mo. Pag crossover na iwanan, nag-give up na ng foul, pero naiwan pa rin. James Yap.
After scoring just 10 points in the last game of Purefoods. They'll allow it. Here's Baguio for 3. Yes, sir. Rattles in with a TM3.
They badly needed that three-pointer. In fact, that's Adam Parada anymore.
But Baguio with a TM3. Bola pa rin ng Red Bull. Baguio for 3. Yes, sir!
I was about to say, Cyrus Baguio in the fourth quarter suddenly tallying his third free throw.
Ito na, outlast 2 minutes. It's in outlast maintenance free battery. Start agad. And James Yap scores inside.
Ayan, nagdilang anghel na tayo. 21 puntos na yan for James Yap.
You can see the time remaining, time winding down in this pulsating game. James Yap against Duncil. Advantage James Yap, and James Yap scores.
And that's the signal. James Yap is back.
Baguio on the move. Baguio outside, Rayback over to Serino Cruz. Cruz has been scoring well. Baguio all alone from the corner.
And again, to beat the shot clock, an all-important three-pointer. So Cyrus Baguio never fails to bail out his team.
24 points for Baguio after scoring the TM3.
Si Cyrus Baguio at the corner for the three-pointer. So, hindi man siya nakakascore, meron pa siyang ibang pwedeng gawin.
So, Purefoods will try to win this game with 7 seconds to go, all Filipino style. And the man with a million moves has the ball, and he will try to win the game against Adriano. James Yap fires! Scores!
Big shot, James!
Wala na timeout! Rayback fires! And James Yap wins the game for Purefoods.
What an ending to this epic game! And when the game is on the line, where do you go? You go to the king! What a shot by James Yap!
Yan ang ating Father's Day special. You have a game that goes down the wire, and you have the former MVP, James Yap, hitting the game winner.
James Yap, after being failed in his offense in the last 2 games, erupting for 25 big points, including that game winner.
Finally, Ryan Gregorio getting to celebrate as time expires. Turning point. Walang kaduda-duda, it was the winning shot of James Yap, brought to you by Gatorade. Is it in you?
Parang itong Ray Allen, give me the ball. I will take my man one-on-one. And what confidence in James Yap. Alam na alam niya, pasok yung tira.
I don't appreciate you bringing up Ray Allen, but just the same, a big shot, winning shot for our best player of the game.
Well, James Yap, 25 points.